Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a savings goal on Simple in 2025. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Simple account, which you can do on the our website, or you can do so on the mobile app. Just go ahead and log in using your email address and your password. Now once you're logged in, you're going to click on the savings button that's in the top navigation bar, or you could be at the bottom navigation bar depending on where you're logged in from, either the website or the app. But just find the savings button and then click on that, and then from the drop down menu or the pull up menu, you can just select create a savings goal, and from there you can choose a savings goal such as, saving for an emergency, or it could be for a vacation, or a down payment on a house. Whatever it is, just go ahead and choose a savings goals, and then you're gonna set a target amount for your savings goal. So it could be $1,000, 5,000, whatever else it is. Just go ahead and set the amount, and you also want to set a deadline for reaching your goals, because that's gonna help you to be more focused. So just go ahead and set a deadline. Could be 6 months, a year, whatever. Just go ahead and set that, and once you're done, you're gonna confirm the setup by clicking on create, and Simple is going to take care of the rest and create that savings goals for you. That's pretty much it on how to set up a savings goal on Simple in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.